How to save a job on Indeed job search. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to save a job on Indeed job search. So the first thing we do is we go to the Indeed app, and as you can see this is the home page. Now if you want to save a job, you need to click on this heart right here. Now the job is saved. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching, and I wish a good luck for everyone on their job or on their career. See you later, and thank you so much.